division looks quite awkward, but can be done very quickly if you can spot that the denominator is actually half the numerator, or vice versa. The 34 and 1 over 7 is double the 17 and 1 over 14. So let's do 2 times 17 and 1 over 14. Well, that would be 2 times 17 plus 1 over 14, which is then 34 plus 2 over 14, or 1 over 7, which gets us the 34 and 1 over 7. So from that, we can see the answer must be 2. Very quick. If you don't spot it, then you could go a very long route and do 34 times 7, put it all over a common denominator, but we can still do it a little bit quicker this way. So I'm going to write it as 34 plus 1 over 7 divided by, I'm not going to write it over as a fraction, I'm going to keep it as divided by 17 plus 1 over 14. Okay, I can put it over a common denominator by doing 34 times 7 plus 1. That's normally what you do with the mixed number. You do 34 times 7 because that tells you how many sevenths go into 34. And then it's all going to be over 7. Similar over here, it's going to be 17 times 14 plus 1 all over 14. And I can now keep change flip. So 34 times 7 plus 1 over 7 times 14 over 17 times 14 plus 1. And these cancel, leaving a 2 here. You can just do that because we're timesing by 14 divided by 7. It's the same as just timesing by 2. What I could do now is change that 34 actually to, well, in fact, just basically divide the 34 by 2 and times the 7 by 2, meaning it becomes exactly the same as 17 times 14, which means that these two are exactly the same and we get our answer of 2 that way. You can do it a longer way, but these two would be the most efficient.